Moving on to another story that might save you some money this morning, Pete.
Yeah.
Have you heard about this one with Netflix?
Okay, so I know that when you have Netflix, I'm told, you can share your password and other people can use it, and multiple users on one account. Is that not the case anymore? What's the deal here?
You know, not that I'm guilty of that, but my mother enjoys Netflix. And why would you pay for 2 accounts if your own family is paying already? And that's what a lot of families doing. Well, Netflix is saying, but we have really high production costs, now to the tune of north of $13 billion. So they're saying we're going to, well, tune that out. A test is going on in 3 different countries. It is in Peru, Chile, Costa Rica. If it's successful, it'll come here. And what it does is, if one person tries to log in from the household that's not at home, it's going to challenge you. It's going to say, hey, should you be there? Now, it also is going to let you, as the main user, pay another fee, pay more to let 2 additional non-household members go on Netflix. I don't like that idea. Nobody does. So people are posting a workaround. Yep, it's a trick. And if, in fact, Netflix does that here in the U.S., here's one way they might do it. They might do that thing where you get the text while you're logging on to something called 2-factor authentication. Yep. You got to put in that code. But if everyone in the family is sharing it, how do you get around that? I got a trick online for you to do that. We show you how people are saying you can get 1 free phone number, like Google Voice is one example, and then you have that, all the text from that phone forward to all the authorized numbers, and you control the numbers that it forwards to. Keep in mind, every text coming to that number is going to forward to everybody, so you just want to use it for one purpose, and that way, a code is asked for, you have a certain amount of time to put it in to make Netflix start playing. It may just work for those people who still want to share.
Oh, cracking the code. Kurt the CyberGuy, CyberGuy.com if you want to figure out his trickery, tomfoolery this morning. Kurt, thanks a lot. Great to see you, always.
Good to see you, Pete.